ito po muli si Ate Zen mula sa Easy Excel with Zen. In this video po, pag-usapan natin si end of month. Ano nga ba itong formula na end of month? Basically, ginagamit ito kung gusto nating malaman kung ano yung last day of the month. Na hindi na natin i-type manually kung ano yung last day of the month. Okay? Useful ito sa mga malalaking database. So, to show you more, let's proceed to my spreadsheet. So, ito yung ating spreadsheet now. So, ang formula natin is end of month. Okay? So, ang end of month ay pwede natin siyang gamitin to get the last day of the month and yung first day of the month. Okay? Of the previous month, of the current month, or succeeding month. Okay? Ito muna tayo sa end of month, previous month. So, paano natin kukunin yung previous month? Okay? Or current month muna pa. So, dito tayo umpisa natin sa end of month. Dito muna tayo sa current month. Paano natin makukuha yung last day of the current month, which is July 24, 2021. Okay, alam natin na ang last day ng July is 31. Pero, paano ba natin siya i-capture using a formula na hindi natin ita-type na 7/31/2021. Diba? Time consuming. Kung mahaba yan, very time consuming siya. So, gamitan natin siya ng end of month formula. Okay? So, EO month. Okay? Then, parenthesis. Meron tayong dalawang arguments dito. Yung start date at months. Yung start date, kung ano yung data na meron tayo. So, ang data natin ay nasa F3. Okay? And then, comma. Since ang kailangan natin is current month, so ang month na gagamitin natin ay 0. Okay? Yung 0 represents this month. Okay? Then, close it with the parenthesis. Yan. So, nakuha na. Automatic, nakuha natin yung end of month. What if, ang gusto natin is yung end of month, previous month. Okay? So, using the same date, yung July 24. Okay? End of month. EO month again. Okay? Open parenthesis. Doon tayo sa start date natin. Okay? Which is nasa F3. And then, comma. Since previous month, okay, magma-minus tayo ng 1. Okay, and then close it with the parenthesis. So, nakita nyo, last month is June 30, 2021. Okay, what if gusto natin next month? Okay, using the same month, which is July 24. Okay, so equal sign again, end of month. Okay, open parenthesis. Start date natin is yung data natin, comma. So, since next month na tayo, mag-a-add tayo ng 1. So, magiging 1 na siya. Okay? Ayan. So, next month will be August 31. What if gusto natin ng 2 months after pa? So, ang gagawin lang natin is plus 2 naman siya. So, itry natin. Okay? EO month. Okay? Then, start date. And then, 2. Okay? Plus 2. Or 2 is enough. Okay? So, pag nakita nyo ganyan, number ang lumabas, i-copy nyo lang yung format ng date. So, copy the format here. So, magiging date na siya. Ano nangyari? Naging September 30, 2021. So, ang lalaruin lang natin is yung nasa second argument. Ito, yung nasa second argument. Okay? Pag this month, current month, 0. Pag previous month, minus 1. Then, succeeding month, plus 1 or 1 alone. And then, 2 kung sa susunod pa na 1. Okay? Yan yung end of month. What if gusto nating malaman, makuha yung first day of the month? Okay? Dito tayo sa current month muna. So, first day of the month is, gamitin ulit natin yung EO month. Okay? Open parenthesis. Ito ulit yung ating start date. Comma. And then, minus 1. Minus 1 is previous one, di ba? Then, plus 1. Gusto natin yung first day. Okay, so, July 1. Okay, nakuha nyo? Minus muna tayo para makuha natin yung 8, yung end last month. Then, plus 1 para makuha natin yung first day. Okay? What if previous month? Paano natin siya gagawin? So, again, EO month. Okay, start date natin, nasa F7. Comma. Then, minus 2 tayo para makuha natin yung 2 months before. Okay? Then, plus 1. Yan. So, nakita natin, June 1. Then, kung succeeding month naman, same way, EO month. Okay? Then, start date natin nasa F7, comma, and then 0, okay? Then, close parenthesis, plus 1. Ayan, so nakuha natin si August 1. What if plus 2 or the next month pa? Kailangan natin next month. Okay? So, EO month. Okay, start date. Ngayon, 1 lang, okay? Close parenthesis, then plus 1. So, nakuha natin si September 1. Ayun, napakadali, diba? So, very useful ito pag you are working on a big database. Kasi mahirap na iisa-isahin nyo ita-type yung end of month at saka first day of the month. So, hopefully, meron ulit kayo natutunan sa ating video. And please, don't forget to click the thumbs up pag meron kayong natutunan o natuwa kayo sa video na to. And don't forget to share na rin sa mga kaibigan nyo para mas marami tayong matulungan. And again, please click that notification bell para maging updated kayo once a new video is uploaded. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Easy Excel with Zen. God bless everyone. Keep safe. Bye!